She's devastated, obviously. No parent should have to bury a child, certainly not one that young.
It's nearly been a month since an assault at a Tupelo restaurant that left a man dead. Now the mother of the victim is suing both the business and the suspected attacker. We spoke with the family's attorney earlier tonight. WTVA's Ethan Foster joining us live in Tupelo with what he had to say about the case.
As you can see behind me, I am right across the street from Steele's Dive here in Tupelo. Now, as Emily just told you, we're continuing to follow the latest on a violent death that happened right there in the parking lot about a month ago. Officers charged 37-year-old Timothy Albert Turner with first-degree murder following the death of Casey Cooper outside of Steele's. It happened in the parking lot around 1:30 a.m. on April 16th of this year. Police say Turner hit Cooper nearly 40 times in the head. And today, the victim's family filed a wrongful death lawsuit against the attacker, Timothy Turner, the restaurant, and nearly 24 unnamed defendants. We spoke this evening with the family's attorney, Casey Lott, about the lawsuit.
We know that he was friends with the employees and security guards there, and we know that some of those employees and security guards were aware that there was a history between Mr. Cooper and Mr. Turner. And despite being armed with that knowledge, and despite security guards knowing that Mr. Turner was in the parking lot waiting on Casey Cooper, the security did nothing to protect Mr. Cooper.
Right now, Turner is charged with first-degree murder. He remains behind bars with no bond. Of course, we reached out to Steele's and they told us that the owner is out of town at the moment and unavailable for a comment. Of course, we're continuing to monitor this story, and as soon as we have any new information, you will be the first to know. But until then, reporting live in Tupelo, I'm Ethan Foster for WTVA 9 News.